So this video will show you how to set up the new PC from scratch to the home screen. So after putting Wi-Fi password and device name, we are here, and this is asking about Microsoft account. So just press next. So you have to sign in with the Microsoft account here. So once you sign in with Microsoft account with the user ID and password, it will ask you to the authentication, and you have to put a code. So let's just verify it for now. I just set up a face login. So now we have to set up a PIN number. So here I have a backup. So normally if it's a new PC, then you have done a backup, then it will show up like this once you put a Microsoft account. So I have backup of so many PC here. If you don't have a backup, then just simply go and set up as a new PC. However, I have a backup, so I'll try with the latest backup, that is from May 31, 2025. Continue. So it's restoring from the backup all folders, apps, settings and credentials. So we'll just wait for a few seconds. So finally I have reached to the home screen. So now it's time to update the laptop, since a lot of updates will be pending and it is a new laptop. So since it is a new laptop, so lots of updates will be there, so make sure you update everything. So if the update is finished from the setting, then you have one more place to check the updates, that is Windows HP Support Assistant. Here you can see so many things. HP Smart is for the printer, HP PC Hardware Diagnostic is for checking the system test, and documentation is for warranty and everything. But you can go to the HP Support Assistant. Then go to the updates. So here I can see 3 things need to be updated. So download and install. While this is going on, let's go and see some system information of the PC. So here we can see the storage and graphic cards, installed RAM which is 16 GB, processor AMD, and it is HP Innovi 360 2-in-1 laptop. We can see the RAM information and then 64-bit operating system, and it is Windows 11 Home. So in Home you cannot join computer to domain or cannot use BitLocker services. So if you convert to the Windows 11 Pro, then you can use the domain, join the domain, and you can use the BitLocker properties. So normally if you join the company laptop, you have to join the laptop to the domain. For that you have to go here and then change, then you have to click here and then join to the domain. But here you cannot do that because it's Windows Home. So you have to convert to the Windows 11 Pro laptop, then only you can join to the domain. Now you can go and install the necessary application like Chrome and other application, and then pin to the taskbar over here. Normally on the company you have a deployment server from where you deploy all the necessary application that need to be run on the computer. But for easiness, you can go to the Edge or any browser and then go to the ninite.com. Here you will find so many applications that you might need in the laptop. So for example, Chrome, or if you need a Zoom, iTunes, BLC. So just go over here and find the necessary application that you need on computer, then click on get your Ninite. So after you do this, you'll get one exe file. Then if you run it, all the application that you have selected will run automatically in single time, which means you don't need to install each application separately. Now let's go and check whether our updates has been completed or not so far from Support Assistant, and our updates has been completed. So everything is done now. Now you can use a laptop without any worry. So this is how you set up the newly laptop from scratch to the 100%. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, then please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more useful video in the coming days. Till then, bye bye, take care.